I'm with Mr. Landers from Z, and we're in for, all of us, both of us are in for Milan today. I hope Mr. Landers enjoyed today's session, and he gave a very, very insightful speech today. Mr. Landers, did we enjoy today? Did we remind you of your own college days today?
Yeah, thanks for having me here, and I really enjoyed the session in the morning. I particularly liked interacting with the students of the Somaiya Management Institute, and it did bring back memories of my own times, both from the placement perspective as well as from getting to listen to industry heads at that particular time.
All right. So, because you spoke at length about brands and how, as Z, you had to build credibility in the market, what all challenges did you face as the face of brands in various locations, various geographical locations for Z?
Yeah, so like other brands that expand to regional territories as well as international markets, Z also faced several challenges, both language as well as other geographical challenges. But like I described in the morning also, if you are able to deliver on the fundamentals of building recognizable and brands that span across geographies, I think it should not be a problem. And we at Z have been pioneers in this space, and we've been able to successfully build brands that have worked for us both in the India geography as well as across the world.
So I understand from your speech in the morning that building credibility in the target audience is very, very important. Did you face challenges with the building of credibility? Is credibility an important issue for a brand, for a new brand that's entering the market?
I think it's one of the most important aspects because it takes years to build credibility in the mind of consumers, and in today's age, in the social media age, it takes very few seconds or even minutes to destroy all that credibility and reputation. So one of my key functions is to uphold the reputation that we built over the last 22 odd years as a brand for Z, and to build on that reputation so that it is no way impaired by any means.
All right. Sir, my last question to you is going to be along the lines of, because this is a management institute and we're budding managers.
That's right.
We're trying to be like professionals like you. What advice would you give us at this juncture to a management school, to budding managers like us?
Yeah, so I would say you all are aspiring to be managers in exciting times. During our time, we did not have so much diversity of industry, and the way the country's economics is shaping up, I think it is a very exciting time, and most of you all should also look at the entrepreneurship as a definite way of building your careers, because that is what the environment is encouraging, and along with looking at becoming managers for reputable brands and companies, I think you all should also look at entrepreneurship as a good way of taking your careers forward.
Thank you so much, sir. This is a very, very insightful session. We're all in for Melange. This is Melange 2016, signing off with Mr. Landers. This is Sonal Chabra.
Thank you very much.